You know what it's gonna be about. So don't just sit there, I sit there and pound. Group blast in the house and we're gonna turn it all out. We're gonna get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Well, every time that we come around, none of you motherfuckers are left sitting down. So fuck emo and fuck ska too. 'Cause I'll tell you all what you're gonna do. You're gonna get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Now, on the trouble we got, Mr. Brennan Gary, yeah, opened up a can of 100% juice. I said, get on the floor, shake your derriere, 'cause I got more rhymes than Dr. Seuss. All right, now get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Martinoli, ladies and gentlemen, pouring up that beats like juice into a cup. And I think you know what the fuck I'm talking about when I ask you all to get right up. Give it to me now. Get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Get right up. Oh shit. I'll break it down. My job for ring MC and I'm working microphone for home about G. The roll out the checks, spread the geese and the set bathrooms coming through my glass won't fit. Macking with a chick from over the sea. I can't stand the blender always picking on me. Whips and juice is what we let loose. Oh, get on the floor, just shake the